Joye ewoho emayeda minim say jide ne waji me say amen enye ahodion enye sika enye sebi position bi cry enye din bi cry ne hu no nadaroma anopai yedana say edana sia ensa waye bi papa this is my month. I love February because it's my birthday month. I love it so much. Anopai mama kwaba ebium. Well, if you saw prayer equisi say no watch everybody today no strictly politics Monday to Thursday or Sunday Adam to me the trending stories making headlines in the world of showbiz net babe sumo ya fasada ema abuafwa abribiara wonum jibre edio musika esoyasne ema yedi jimedi brel as dai koma odi4 ewimfo ba Samson kwekuyebwa papa ojapekrom osodihye bia na adwumu kanu oyinu no ma basa emobrowa enyake krafo yenyina yesena no papa sinje tutumreke na ye majapekrom na ibipi mojapekrom odnedu ebekan titru yebusuafo madwumu komo ne de wodu bi obeposa woni nsem no de aso pampem ehwo na bum to you adoma chede no obade no e de ache no enti se obedu honko a eno na ehia ti bomode anse ubedu japekrom na kopiem ho a o wonsanfo ayade enkoda wamane o ha ode atitu bia no wonsan emfanko debi arada panope yeda wase a ensa semri tintin na no woda sukwa yimu na omreye adom nkanfo enkaudi baby a obia mede edi Diana eduhene Jemfi kwata na kusi of course and I'll pay latter part of the show baby lines na tum na yedi amamo na moso no enkoma ye bidino one so what wa dwintre edi aba sanso and at early stage of the show no see baby lines atum edi amamo and I'll pay me question for the day maybe say yeah na say wonnam kuma say o drive around and am wonnam wa ube say na yedi obi a sebi we free na yaye ne billboard kesie won say na ebokwan ho you say celebration of life we are also from 2022 to 2010 to 2030 to 2060 na yedi wo sebi ye ma me no mo nyom baby kono ene baby a efie ska wo mu no bo say ye mo billboard na ebobokwan no saa bobo bebe me so bi say saa no mani nyira no ehu hia ana say ehu hia a waste of money ana say dien because we are anka I was saying ka ade bi ehu hia no na ehu say ka ban no amakwan na nka ebo billboard so I will be a chama and I will be a driver obi hono afi we don't see all those things if we no they are turn billboard no e dey ama wo mo muska no if wo mo nyom baby ko no wo mo ma me no mo sika fo wo mo papa no wo mo nua ma no mo na afi no wo ma je billboards ni nyina e dey afa obi o kra na wo atwam kra na da so e dey na itim ekwan ho bibi sa no pay say e fa so ehu hia ana se ehu hia e wo se mpanifo makwan ma ye de saade ne bobo kwan ho ana se ehu hia eni kwa se mpanifo kwa ton billboard ne kra e de maximum fo mo de ye saade no ana se ni nyina ye sika aban no benya na odi develop ye omanya ana. That is my question for the day for you this morning, 1st of February 2024. Well, and I'll pay His Excellency, former President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama Wakasa, Ignacy Kumha, late last year, and say last year, and some way Epijan, Edman, who so our Ghana say, a year, a ma, any mada, any mema, or monyoku mema, and so eda, if any say LGBTQ or no, yet the who and some equivim or mashibi fee, and was saying a ban or so besaja to mo, and I say again June to mono, and once some sorry or the one I'm going say, Sasam no koto hono, and ya dear abano, abowa ewo, wakam wasem, then so no, the passay yellows be brea, and no, papa was wajatu, and I say, radio came a sign, then we in your quine, and the juma, and I say in your quine, and find you nice no, LGBTQ no, say, and ya dear abano ebowa ewo, and then sorry, His Excellency former President of the Republic of Ghana, Babekasa, the okay in our say, ono oye Assemblies of God ni mapa oye Assemblies of God ni mapa ti ono enya ade a ososo saade no eso e ba jo abidwafo betnasia e be se bisa se o mampani se konya Assemblies of God ni a enko beji atuma na anasede adenti na sa ade no kwada akopi mahye bedwafie metenten na mpanifo won mo aso beji atuma e wo so mo ka se ye beji atum mo jintum so so na ke mo me hu se ye jintum na afi aye kokwasa yenye sika free LGBTQ free ho anasede we'll talk about it when they get seated afi His Excellency another Koowaa abai your president your papa ya de nyina adi show boy another Koowaa a o share round special man na Mr. Koowaa TTV so what I say na mi chao won kwaso baby a wo bia no na say what no mutu aka kire eye IMF for say government to be precise aka kire IMF for say IMF we afidie agiatum may review eye free SHS no edi nsama yen papa His Excellency Another Koowaa afidie wababe odiabetu ya say obe review eye free SHS no what is going on ono akasa hu say sebio you know inches be bre a woman ana said why is he saying this? We're going to talk about it. My bra abija for aji one echa. Alright, the motivation of the mouth is as simple as ABCD. Know whom to talk to. A young hunipa ube kasano. Young kofu be bronoma. Ubia is almost bishiano. Dear how papa boys and one more car. And I will say, and I see the window cross and I see Debbie. Anope ne Yawade anope the 1st of February 2024 so eye huni pa obidu nkomo achre anyo bia na di nkomo ye de achre ye nkofo bibiro no ma ye didi nkomo achre won a won po ene eton ye won po ene won say ye ti meso say me papa Kennedy also had all the time me papa no cause your secret is your power. So sometimes know whom to talk to and know what to say to someone. Also say make I say your secret is your power. Hunipa obe kasano na fi hunipa sadie hawa obe catching. Do you understand? And you be an a catching crofobia. Bibi won so a and there was open muka no be wow at a nye nobody na and there was a catch on crofobia your crofobia or wa in sembi or wa I was a catch home and your crofobia wa any tasam no fashion team na said in the semika wufako is the best because so one fan show team mpo na one fan kwa sebi me semika no pay ya na woni no na ka show me so sorry koya they will sit you down and sell you one be ton to send it here and can me nua ma ye attitude e man e won sa problem e man be we share wo bia no di nkomo hwe to do nkomo ka won sem chere nkomo the secret is your power to say the man can chop papa Kennedy we so my time ever no dey put we edemame na odi for you for ba samsim kwaku ebo a ono so ka bi chere mo osia ko aida phobia utimi kura secrets what I say your kofu be bro no a won munni ma dey friends secret we dey call ya wabuan because o call ya onya nkoma obedi they can't zip their legs until you ni pa video ko wa channel aze obusi ni if you brono so area ho obi a wanam o ma obi nya container tina mu ye adwuma o se na me se no nya container ti wan kan na ya de mani pani mponkoka se o na makosi so kwa na me nya atina yo o si ade wa bo me enu na yi nsra na nya wo ti se bi emi nim no hey me se so we mistake na aka wan sem not me se kasa area ho a wo mu nyina no obi anim se hey sankofo ebe ya atwo why be ehu suban Don't so be a man gentle. Why uncle name is will be a wound to mine. Tiaho bar, they catch a woman. And it's true. Don't do that. A member used to be a son and cast a man. And see, we a bema won't so. You before we do come at home. A human in queer, upa, when a young point in time. I didn't queer when an intent time yamming to all country. Sugunu swa better than normal amount. Was that copper and I do now when Yanni obey me and when Yanni obey. But why are you doing this to me? I love you. You sharing a sanity. We may say, when one be sure man I do Yammy touch him, will beat you. Although the family of the catcher said, baby, I'm sorry. I don't know what happened. Now more common him. Now wouldn't him no food then when I could catch you. Whoa. So yes, to count some. What it? Now Casado. We didn't come out to do. We be one or two. A dream will be also be one or two. As a branch be meaning what you may be more. Or be another do. Be a winning, be a coming in our winning. There be. Call it to no be one or two. Or why then you coupon on count. Now on your come swaddling in our infamous. Say, and Nano, yes, sir, a yaboson for Frasino. Ube would dear obey any day, any quite so ye. You be doing come out channel. And they wouldn't come on entering. Well, 26 minutes after 6 a.m. Frame maybe so billboards. I know why is a woof for billboards. I was a book Sebi wato just a book a sepa. Nana maybe I said you were freeman can't say who sika, but a year and I say a ye. What I say a year and I say ye. Never walk on my branca, ye pussy who say, you know, malaria kills. Be careful. Sleep in mosquito net. You know, spray your room, your environment, and what have you. Thank you, baby. And Casadi in an enke boboquao, Tiakwane, Kenkai, do not unite here, do not do this. Not any in Ali, Nanke Buano. I feel you who no mano. Ye for more bush and full musica, no more to trouble bonesta so sigh and no also. And I say for soon so. And the mobile will say, ye do your mamma with free mono. And I do your papa with free mono. And I do your sister no. And I said, day. That is what I'm asking you. Frame na yen call ye name 0202 668461 0202 668461 0202 668461. Braco American of Braco Michelle Umpu want to say ya menso nehoye after becoming my fire issue programming no ye chemunyina edamwase sa no person mudi motive no ato ye Koowaa na moshe sanso ena moa sebie son sebie nyado moshe ye ewo obwase ye chiamo be kwaifo ye chiamo bebi bia wo bia wo he anope no michiao na medawase se wode eye motive no ato eye Koowaa na wo share eye Koowaa Monday to Friday politics. Hello, good morning.
Morning, mother.
Nyakopa adom na oswe.
Ni adom pa ko
TV no conform and mommy feedback on TV no conform Pacho yinti wa no pay Peter. Okay, Pacho frame ya ma TV no conform. Sase mo ya kasa ya bre afifufu eguso kan. O free TV so free radio so a ya ma radio ana TV no lower no send e be ya e ma twetwetwe capital ka say ka metonka. Hello, good morning. Hello man, so ka crowd ni be ya friend me free.
All
right, yinti wa no pay me do for park.
But you na you crash me. Benjamin Cassani, if you are able to share ACC Quaffo, you from the media already to reach the area, frankly, 50 and now 1 million to be up and down. Now, sometimes sorry, you know, the ISID is 50,000 for sure. I think in Chile.
Okay.
That's one.
Okay. Now we want to show you see that say what you break now what friend 29 minutes after 6 a.m. Hello, good morning. Hello. Alright, 0202-668461 0202-668461. You're live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, Some Darkos Initiative, Some Darkos TV, so you should be live. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Simon Bayo, what to say?
Good morning, also.
Yakopa, don't you see one of pay?
This is what I'm doing. You say what you're saying, I'm our four, any year before. I know all of the Koowaa. So from my friend, I'm not that way I want people. Where is there? A black movie for that now. Do more about that. Do more I will be home to that. And that's very good idea. I don't know what to do. In place of family part of it. Only we are controlling the people that are very many. Now I want to be many. I want to be
Alright, 31 minutes. Simon Bayo, that's MC4, Simon call. Munina Masumi Mea, Mufreya Munua TV no, my na chinchan no, dos, yes, Mama Sonia, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Prophet, now what to say?
I'm in Diane, but I'm here, power now.
Prophet Yankopa Daro, Mammy, so me hoye pa.
Oh, then Yankopa is on the car. I'm Diane, you won't see you.
Okay.
Because you know, it's really powerful, it's really pioneer.
Alright.
If you will be on a car and you want, it's really hot. If you know, because you play the but two ways to more.
Yeah.
You get now your I see about issue. So your hand time, no, yeah. You know, it is sound. And what you bobra, etc. You want to be
okay.
Yeah. You should be a man. Can I could with your two if you do if you put it for many years, maybe opening but was a no.
Unsha one so prophet also be today Afreme and I 0202668461. Of course, say billboard that a profa will free I'll be showing on Koowaa never walk on kaka no here. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Diana. I'm going to get a cassette family, but Madame
what do you do? I don't pay. Oh,
a billboard. Not the Sunday, oh, mammy, and no papa, yes. Oh, mammy, no papa, or yes. Or yes, into no room. Me, mammy, a black quatua, in female semi. See, I can't come sir. And mammy. I can see you and coming in on Penny try. So we go a woman, I won't front them,
sir.
And billboard quite and carry it to her. Billboard, a check, and the say, I'm back, and to do your appreciation,
sir.
And you come me. Some of the politicians only if you only your mind, but I'm going to be able to see something. Me, so your man, I watch you. One time, I'm assuming, I'm one. I beg you, so you said we will see you can look on our. Yeah. It depends on radio. We didn't say about you to be there coming to me. My second down there. It looks like some was a judge again, gra. And come here. But I was feeling a minute. Bye.
Come upon when you are come outside your mouth, son of a piara, would you break now? God bless you, Uncle Kingsley, or now in count 35 minutes after 6 a.m. Of course, or don't know how well Yankopo and why no my offense now indicate to match what Yankopo which shall be brave. And maybe not, Madam Fisher must say, what have you written on your hand? I'm saying, it's my mom. I wrote that I love my mom, and then my friends are, oh, okay, let me demand the Koowaa show. And I'm saying, must you know? Do you know why I wrote it? Do you know why I wrote this? It is because I love my mom. If you know, I cannot want to love, no, and no. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Pacho, didn't baby afraid me free. Hello. All right. Also beat me about 0202-668461 02-02-668461. Frame na yenko o frame na wa mo fidie no eko form ede amame. Also e obekwai abodom. Also o to say bra mete won ka che Yakopon wincha be quite fujina mojibre na moshe anope bia say sinin mame wo boase. Good morning to you, mame. What we say? Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay, fine. When Timia engineer so when I for last call and I feel memory feed na yimbidi Ghana and come on live on Facebook.
Keep your son of you.
Okay, I'm going to have it.
Make a show a program I put you to the lion. A question in which I'm not for a share. It will be all that level. Let me because you can capacity. A good to be what you are friend. It will be fair, not only TV state now. And then we will bye bye.
I come with that TV so I come and say me and mommy and now home to Bateja. Obi ofra o sample so tisi o kasa ye be any day then see big so aka na kakra misro o frame ya na wama o TV no akofom se na be ya meti won kan so won say so am TV na akofom na say o kasa you give me a lot of feedbacks what I say ye chi e we chi so make sure say obi lower TV no na akasa last call about me endi phone no last caller one bounce so dia and still and I think I'll also continue the show. Last caller about home. Hello, good morning. Okay, any me fa call bia ebium last caller one ma intino me the phone no SC anope mami Murphy Ghana koma ye babidi and say His Excellency now Dan Kwaku-Fadre buying the President of the Republic of Ghana well Mutu akacha IMF for say I feel the free SHS no obe review na dia na ma aban etimi akacha IMF for say obe review free SHS. What is happening or akasa tena say who say free SHS no hinches bebre ewum enkoyi papa ana say you know lapses kitten ni ajajibi ewum nti na opese review ana sedeng. Why is he saying he's going to review the free SHS? I mean, for example, maybe some say a dear no musu say a coso or free SHS nimu. I don't know about catch me for say womu a be review. Is about the fact to say womu do musika amaye. Oh. Personal consequence to me almost on farmer by fide or maja to me ediscano amaye nti nunti and ama by akacho mo say obi review free SHS no ana said we're going to talk about it pretty soon. I feel so His Excellency a former President of the Republic of Ghana JDM baba wanti abeka so no dey Assemblies of God ni mampa and the LGBTQ wants them every parliament meeting as ye jatumo say engine tumo say dear no also ne dear on so all because hey Assemblies of God in it so also they are going far maybe say a dear na you see a quine. I must have be on a could pay more parliament meeting na woman see me some beja to someone you to more. I kukasa I say become was I say come was LGBTQ4 ediska ever support on Mayana. Woman is kabi Emma Yidiana. It's Dina Abba I no woman can was him na a kunko. Ama His Excellency John Dramani Mama can say oh no oh so wow what about now Dr. J. Morrison what's not say me man akwaboye Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the NDC na afi you so Inia or no so no ever bit name a day ama MPP for no onyamba ye Dr. Pacho Akwaba bibia boko
already go so here man I was here
Dr. Pacho me ho ye ho ye
so high for pa because they are show you so now many ajwa mama mpoje so see I go for major Jim so here
that's why you are one fantastic personality
my pressure I have go for
you are one amazing personality.
Thank you.
When you meet a humble, respectful, if I should put it that way, you are very humble.
Thank you. Thank you.
And you know, I love people like
that's not my style.
That's what I'm saying. It's not style, but when the heat is on, but it's normal. I love that one.
Sometimes you are provoked. The opponent will provoke you, to say certain things or to go the extra mile. Normally that is not my style. Now
for Kamal, you're chair only Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the MPP. Kamal also has your style. And Timushia and I say,
of course, he's a good friend of mine.
Okay, that's fine.
I think somewhere towards the latter end of the year, or invite him for
amazing
program. Yeah,
amazing.
In spite of the fact say
amazing.
OMPP, I mean
but you guys are friends.
The political difference.
Come and see. I'm not fat by an anchor. To show you soon.
So, environment by monitor.
Hey, monitor. Another comfort on your woman. Many illusions so go. You be fata. Hey, I'm person more hit look at that. So if you are home and you follow their little fight, you are worrying yourself. Now, on a more serious note, let's look at this. His Excellency, about my main hand is generalized now by actually Mutaka time say a video be review a free SHS no. What do you think? Say a year idea ama abai and I nam so ama abai abetuna nim to safidi obe review a free SHS. Is about the fact to say I am for Emma Yesika and Itiana.
Oh, okay. Me that's on fame. The edikano I mean, you have a food na I we are suffering especially Ghana for I had to brave and obey. Tintimano and Koma Achuampunia, a parliamentary candidate. Okay. Honorable Stephen Yabua.
All right.
And obey the bill will be honorable Michel. Me did this program me put our money tabao for Niagro. Most especially Bra. Member program is to be a water monitor. Jano Price, Utia Honorable Michel. Miss Anchia Nana, and I'm so here. Anata, so Taji Brave here, your program, Yano, and I'm so full now, so Michel. Oima,
Papa,
on the free SHS program here by there's no doubt, say, about the work. In a lot of ways, but in so many ways, in Usono, as creating a lot of problems. Am I in educational infrastructure and as educational setup? No?
Okay.
Free SHS no, I have a no. As creating a lot of problems. So as am I. Right from the onset, we in the NDC, we have never been against the implementation of the free SHS program. That should be on record. NDC is never against free SHS program. But a kwanya sa aban efa so implementing no and I no enya adwene.
Okay.
Also before we left office in 2016 no. Na we were in the process na e wo ya adwene mu say e ade a ye de beba ye friend no say enka ye no step by step. And if you want to progressive free SHS, I mean that say oh they about progressive free SHS and an I say all right and sebi for free and to the free na about we buy na in terms of and what's it the TBR one of the appointment progressive but obey instantly.
Okay.
Maybe because so also buy free SHS instantly. There are a lot of things I was saying. You will never be also the Koowaa and son with the free education in bar. What the ambassador by a bit major and now so now we are why once a bruni can't go food said. I say if it must be done, it must be done well. So buy a beer and a year. Okay. So and decided any man so buy a now need any man. Whatever is worth doing is worth doing well.
Okay.
Right. That is our stance. And this is 4 years stand. No. But seven prayers at you for. Near for. Ubi an agree more hard. But nothing is soon ready to say. I and this for the and this for against free education. you have when you in your
of them.
So
Preview. Preview.
Koowaa TV amansane yena yedimu.
the real student look the lecturer say, oh, we have your friends say certificate na nkwala na de bana results na nkwala na ban any on performance at the university level now. Who say a boy bebre so nipa yo by be okuta single digit okuta 6 ones 7 8 9 10 even kwa no so okuta 15 kwa na we expect say performance and results na okuta na they call university no at least it should reflect in the performance of that student in the classroom.
All right.
But a lot of them do wanya A1 B2 in English, but they cannot even string sentences together to form proper words in English. And so by and large, I think sir, they make up and say, I don't think we in the NDC say,
Okay.
free SHS program. I wasn't a review because so far no, meaning who is really benefiting from this free SHS program?
Who is benefiting from it?
Yes.
So people are not benefiting from it?
What I mean is this: the person say,
Okay.
almost all the stakeholders of this free SHS program are losing because we are losing at one.
Dr. Sodium no me twa me home bra. Ebusa for me twa me sisia me twa me ho aba. Me twa me ho aba 2 seconds. 2 seconds. MC Ambacho me twa me ho aba. After 6 a.m. of course you try home small fire and in your technical hinge be or Gatti Enterprise for Madam say for alerting me, of course the Uncle Kingsley senior man. I love you so very much. God bless you all for alerting me. I think it's done now. Thank you for everything. Dr. Mpacha no one.
Yes, Ohima. And she said you're Americano. Usha stakeholders of the free SHS program no. Almost everyone is a loser because one Omaino is spending a lot of money.
Okay.
Omaino investing hugely into this free SHS program.
Okay.
2, parents are equally investing in the same SHS program. So the country is losing money, the parents are losing money, and yet even the students who are coming out now, investment they are not getting the derived benefit of also free SHS program because they are not passing as we expect them to pass. And those who are passing you realize on performance, they are not able to defend the results that they have on their certificate when they go to the universities.
All right.
But as anything, it has become necessary for us to review this free SHS program.
Okay.
Right from day one, we in the NDC, we have always maintained this free SHS program, though it is good, but the way and manner in which it is being implemented, it is very bad, and therefore it needs a review. Who can review as some now? Minister of Education, Dr. Adutum. See, NDC force on Babe review. It means that they want to cancel the program.
And that's what
I
was going to ask you. Have you heard?
I am always bitter when somebody like Dr. Adutum defines review to mean cancellation. He's a doctor. He has a PhD.
It is not only
in education.
If he says review later, sorry, review it. That doesn't mean say or can say mobile between.
But these are the words of Dr. Dutu, the Minister of Education.
I get your point. But it is out there that when you guys come,
Ohima, I don't have a problem when people on the with all due respect, people on the street, you see, and making these comments. So review no say you be I don't have a problem with that. But when somebody like Dr. Dutu, who is the Minister of Education, comes out to say, review means cancellation.
He didn't say review means cancellation.
Oh,
did he say?
Why are you defending the man?
I'm not.
He's on record to have said it.
Really?
He is on record.
Say okay, review means.
Let them take me on if the man didn't say that. If I'm the one putting words in his mouth,
okay.
Let them come out and say it. Say one kasa na emu okay. But he is on record to have said it. Okay. Say MDC for so mbabe review no. It means say mbabe free
so now that I'm saying that.
And then one kasa ko and IMF for akwa
so
report omo come IMF for no friends say 155 page document report come IMF for oko page 76 here and then aban we akoka try IMF for no say
obe review
afede yes you be review and the question me be say MP before no especially Dr. Adutuma wey Minister of Education they say omo aja tum so be review no they say omo so person omo twa free essay omo person omo twa mu
maybe there are certain things they're going to make sure say
no no can say and if you
now I get your point
he says John Dramani Mahama ba you be twa free essay yes John Dramani Mahama so over review no
but it was
Minister of Education ba bontin be can say and this for say omo twa free essay
yeah
what you say and I say na ba to bontin say omo so the 155 page report come IMF for as part of the IMF bill. What you say? And on page 76 no, almost say onumba, they say on person review free education.
Yeah.
And the question you busa omo anopay especially Dr. Dutu. Baby o bi am bisa.
Yeah.
Say. Omo review no omo so dey come IMF. Amo
that's
they say on person twa free education ni mu ana.
Well, but I don't think
they should let us know because when we said when we come we will review it because of the challenges the free education e won. Yeah, cause you be review no. Oba Monti ebe two foot through Ghana for nyina ni say and it for so we free education. And then you know, e janya hia to kusi. Afere wo ma admit say ampa free education no challenges room.
Yes.
The government cannot continue to finance it as it is. What you say?
The government didn't say that they can't finance it, but then he talked of reviewing it. But that's what I'm saying. That
when you read the
reviewing the policy doesn't mean he is going to cancel the free SHS. But probably
when you read
the lapses in
definitely there are so many lapses. Can you believe that when you look at these are green and gold, it's a green and red track, gold tracking, red track, whatever track you buy. Students are mobile holiday in November last year.
Okay.
They are still at home. They will be going back to school next month, March. Staying at home for 4 solid months.
Students are still at home.
Oh. Okay. I am on air.
I know you're on air. We are on air. I'm just asking.
What I say? Academics are watching. Educationists are watching. Headmasters are watching.
I know. I just asked.
So I cannot come and sit here and lie. Okay. What I say? Oh, November last year. No?
They are still home.
They are still home.
Okay.
Home go school next month, March. So they are going to be home for 4 solid months.
Okay.
4 months almost fee on him. How many months on we do school? Why are we doing this to ourselves? All because we want to score cheap political points. So by and large, the free SHS program in its current form is not the best for this country. It is not helping the students. It is not helping the parents. It is not helping the country. We are losing out. If we see a program, we money said is yen basa sana. Yes, oh my nisika. Who can we say what do you won't pay or money and won't pay education at the end? Nobody loves education more than me.
Of course.
What you say? But when I first were implementing free education, this government is a failure. This government is an apology. When the Minister of Education comes on there to say review means cancellation, then what do you expect from and so by and large, Ghana for buy where we're failing because the flagship program they buy right from 2017 I will buy a free SHS, free education buy. This is the flagship program of the MPP. And the flagship program no and also are failing. So this government is an apology.
Because of the free teachers that he is an apology, that is a failure.
Let's say to you, and I make say the flagship program I would buy.
That's the free teachers.
What you say? I don't know. Or a friend say, Ghana for Dudona Edina Sutua Bama. What you say? And yes, this is the flagship program. Apart from free teachers, though there are other programs, but the biggest one is free education. If you look at the amount of money you're pumping into free education, by and large, it is a flagship program of this MPP administration. And with flagship program, no campono, a failing. Yes, they have done a lot of things to conceal the failures. What do I say? They have done a lot of things to conceal the failures, but that is not to say, that doesn't mean, a friend is saying, well, everything is all right with it. And just say, Bibia, everything is all right with it. Not everything is right with it. Because on per se, definitely, Zankwane pass it there. Let's just say, Bibia, okay. Gankwane control wasi. That's what we pass here. That means everything is all right.
Okay.
But, I say, Sebu, we have now the plaster at house. Oh, my dear, I decided we have now the plus side. Oh, a cosmetic, and it doesn't solve the real problem on the ground. What I say, and so for us in the NDC, we don't believe in shifting blames and coming up with excuses like this government is used to. We believe in real problem solving.
Okay.
But I say anything you can say, you buy na kupon ya dum. Na say you buy mu a. You be review, you can say reviewer. E just say o program bi a wo ye no, wo hwa wo trase. Wo ado so do na ne bibia come. Not I should be asking you.
No, but at the end of the day,
that's the question I should be asking you. Because
the way you are the way you are just lamenting about the fact that Dr. Dichum says, reviewing the program, it's about cancelling it or collapsing it or not. But it is out there that NDC for mobile, free SHS, it is clear. It is
because of people like
Dr.
Dichum.
I don't think so.
What do I say?
I don't think so. I don't think so because most of the time, most of the time we hear people saying that we're going to do they say progressive and progressive mama but it wasn't clear out there, it wasn't popular out there say NDC for more the say but more progressive for people to understand, to know. It wasn't like that. But this is the case, MP government came to power and boom, it was out there. So we won't say, but people are also claiming credit to yourself, someone buy, which is not so. Don't you think so?
Oh. So, I won't contemplate na dana wa bonti hono. I talk of what I say. But I don't expect to say you also be.
No, I'm just asking. And told me team, but I'm asking.
Oh. Because we know that when we're in power,
yours cannot tell me team, and the MP before they also cannot tell me.
We started with the e-blocks. What I say.
Okay.
We started with the e-blocks because we knew say so we be implementing free education. Definitely enrollment be cost.
Okay.
But students now ebe benefiting. Numbers no be cost. Numbers no cost no. Ehfa ena ombe classrooms be no mbo akotena esua de. Numbers no cost no. Ehfa na ombe da. Numbers no cost no. Okay. What I say?
Okay.
We had all this in mind.
Okay.
But yes, we had the ability to see into the future.
Okay.
You see, that's the difference between us and them. The NDC and the FDP. Okay. We were able to see into the future.
So what do you think?
Say, open maintain free, immediately. These are the challenges that you will encounter. What I say? And it will be done in a haphazard way, and nobody will be the winner at the end of the day.
Okay.
What I say? You can do it, yes, to score political points. But at the end of the day, nobody will win. Nobody will benefit from it. And the botre. We are starting with the e-blocks. What I say? You see e-blocks across the country.
Say na be yankwara ne ba. Classrooms will be readily available. Why na medical room?
Okay. But
why na medical room?
Na why na man? Someone na muko sisi.
What you say? Why na medical room?
Enye mwana mu sisi wo.
Huh?
Someone na muko sisi wo.
That's the place we built the E-blocks. We built it in an SHS. Yes, in school. But the beer you see E-block bian. Yes, in school. Yes, in the senior high school bimu.
Okay.
What you say? Okay. So let no one come and deceive you. Say you could see no. We don't name you could see no. I want to say we are going to see. Be a could see no. Forest we munche say be a could see E-block. Be a could see forest. Then you come and tell us. What you say? We started with the E-blocks because we knew say if you are not make a choice or him. Nkwala Abefie in November last year, November 2023.
So now I understand.
So going back to school.
It is because of
in March 2024. Why do we do? Because of the double track. And the double track came. We a double track in the buy. Double track in the buy because of that. We don't have enough classrooms. We don't have enough boarding facilities. And maybe I'm calling a problem. Classrooms on better nation are a problem. And let me go. A friend saying double track in the buy. What I say? Basically, now but so and you see enough facilities.
So improving it, if I should ask,
what does it enough facilities here?
So if I have to say, how can
first question? Can we have
it be improved?
So what be some first question? Me answer who the second question is about. Yes, I will be digressing from the first one you asked.
Go ahead.
You see? So the point is this. We were on track.
Okay.
Implementing the free senior high education progressively.
Okay.
We started with one. You need facilities. You need facilities with the E-blocks, dining halls. I mean, you needed a whole lot of facilities. You needed a big investment before you can roll out the free SHS program to have it successfully. And we started it. We started with free uniforms. You were in this country, you saw it. We were giving out free uniforms to both day and body students. We started with the medical E-block. What I say? We also went ahead with a whole lot of other interventions that we came out with. Textbooks. Free textbooks came out.
You were giving
laptops.
Were you giving free textbooks?
Of course.
Were you giving free laptops?
Laptops, yes, we're giving to teachers, tutors at the senior high school level.
But not to students.
No, not to students. Because it was progressive. Initially, eventually we were going to get there.
Okay.
What you say? So we're in the process of getting there. And Sebi. Ya no go to futrogu Ghana for ni say. Oh, one more to me we have the men. Now today where are the men?
So the men are not there?
Where are the men? The men like Professor Duchum, Dr. Duchum.
Why are you attacking him alone?
But he's the head of our he's the head of our education. He's the minister of education. And we are discussing education. And this man comes out to say review means cancellation. He owes Ghanaians an apology. Also, I'm not Ghana for chow. So when you be a Sebi, tell me you be me co-panelist with Tiano cancer as we are. I can pardon him. I can understand. But I say I can decide to overlook it. But sort of my own panel exhibition and Sebi won't make can. Maybe be also. But somebody like him, we can't forgive him. Minister of Education.
Don't you think probably that's not how?
It's unacceptable.
Don't you think that's not how he meant it?
They can come and do the damage control. The minister has goofed. We're goofing big time. Minister, we're goofing big time.
Yes, sure, sir.
But minister, as usual, no, instead of owning up and apologizing to the people of Ghana, so say them can't rent it, sir. No. Ombe babonti ababe damage control. What did I say? Oh, he said it in a certain context. He said it in the context. He said it in the context. Then they will come and defend it.
Okay.
What did I say? So by and large, what we are saying is that this government has failed in all aspects of its policies.
All the policies that he
planting for food and jobs or the planting for food and jobs.
Also failing.
Oh, why man? Chairman factories in the boy.
Factory be or trade.
Your friend is saying.
Trade.
Your friend is saying.
All I know is I've seen one there.
Me a food factory be no trade. How many they don't produce so. What do I say?
So they're not producing anything.
It is a lie. This is about deceiving Ghanaians. What is American? This is free SHS now. We have a flagship program. Can be a flagship program. I know there's a dance one. I know a demo in the mind. I'm fairly. What do I say? I'm going for planting for food and jobs by planting, and for food now. But if you are not more than Ghana, a World Food Program for report on the last year August. That's it. Sub-Saharan Africa, Ghana, and Adrian boarding pa. Upo Maya Adrian Ebo pa.
Are you sure?
Ghana. Oh, World Food Program last year August. West Africa had say yet also 8.
To probably anyone more money at the board.
What do you say?
Ghana and
food scarcity. Food scarcity. The whole Africa, Ghana also 8. West Africa had say the young kind. So planning for food and jobs on the buy and where is the food? Where are the jobs? Maybe go about in your Jumanye. What's all the planting for food and jobs are back?
When 7 to 8 years. But you know that when
the planting for food and jobs didn't produce the food.
When you talk of,
it didn't deliver the jobs.
When you talk of, you know,
in
your administration, I'm a good almost no money.
Look, let me tell you something. So, in your
administration, you know, unemployment was there all over the place.
Now, that's how unemployment was. I hope so. We are not digressing from.
No. What do you buy into that maker? We are we are chipping it in because you.
But also, we can say in our administration,
yeah,
not unemployment.
Exactly.
You see, admitted, not unemployment. You see, and unemployment has always been with us right from the days of Koowaa and Koowaa till now. That is admitted. But you see, the current graduate on unemployment rate and our youth unemployment rate are currently it is unprecedented.
Okay.
It is at an all-time high.
Okay.
Maybe I need to find your mind with him. A dose of chain, a baby,
okay.
What I say? Now say your friend Jumakubi or more University of Ghana, Legon from ISE Institute of Statistical, Social and Economic Research.
Okay.
Oh. Professor Kote and Adano. Omo ye research bi efa mabunu anya adwuma nye wo Ghana hanum si e de beto abontin. O say graduate unemployment rate ye mabunu ayi university ayi nya adwuma nye no. O say afi bia no nipa 110,000 ene wi universities e wo Ghana hanum si. Na sa 110,000 no emu 6.5% pe ene nya adwuma eye after so mo wi university. I say 93.5% of your graduates of Ghana Hanum see a university in Yaduma. This is historic. This is a record. 93.5% of our graduates in Yaduma and Ghana Hanum see under the watch of Nana Akufo-Addo and Dr. Bawumia. Never in the history of this country any high unemployment rate.
Okay, so now let me ask you, say,
plenty for food and jobs, one deliver food no and jobs no so one deliver. Free SHS no wa failing.
So if I should ask you, when it comes to the e-blogs are not what can say, you know, one of the lapses in the no, does it mean say I was saying can kolani tinefia ekosibra mo be see e-blogs say we as na school na.
Oh. How much tinefia say?
Because
now my e-blogs now go school.
Now go school. Most of them were on the street. And then I came to, you know, like, if you street.
Some are na yes e-blogs na go school Ghana say. Na secondary education na go school Ghana say.
But I do na go school. Some do na go school.
Oh, na do na go school say.
I said to me say when it comes
people were going to school.
Yeah, people were going. But still
the numbers were appreciating year by year.
A lot were also
they were numbers na e cost every year bia no na e cost. What I say? Every year bia no na e cost. So what is this thinking say oh in Kampala say what thinking is that?
No, I'm asking that because you said it is progressive and you started with the e-blogs, and when you started with the e-blogs idea, which means you know and a more master say musisi Diane Sana Motimia. And I was going to ask you say so Kampala Tinafie e-blogs in that's what I'm asking.
The truth of the matter is this. Who say this is free SHS nearby, you know. So what do we need to form? Me, I'm in the educational sector. Inti ohono minimum was a me pa. I say free education nearby, you know. What's the first no? Now private senior high schools no so here and so almost absorb a lot for the students. But because of free SHS nearby, you see most of the private senior high schools no egu go ubia public senior high school. but anything na my enrollment na akosoro sa no and just say na time aye mahama was no na enkwala enko school. People were going, but there was a healthy competition between the public schools and the private schools. What I say, more in public schools, no more private schools. So it existed. The numbers were there. People were going to school. But free education in Bayern, we are no free. I said, me them me call baby akutia. When we say we say a free was also there be me kwa akuto. Anything ama pressure about the public sector, public senior high schools. But yes, so it doesn't necessarily mean say now yes Ghana fountain fee and I say a man of because no, I'm not attacking you on don't get me wrong. No, I'm not getting you. This is a lot of questions and most of the time people will be asking. Yeah. And so for the when you media communicators and the internet fees are copying say so I'm not referring to you. So in case maybe that's what
no, I'm not thinking that.
But the point has to be made. It shouldn't be lost on us. Say even at the time and now you're implementing progressive free senior high schools, people were going to school and the numbers were appreciating year by year on year. The numbers were going up, both private senior high schools and public senior high schools. But now with the implementation of the free senior high education, now the private senior high schools, most of them have virtually collapsed, and the pressure, there's enormous pressure, formidable pressure is on the public senior high schools, and we don't have the solution. We didn't foresee it coming, and we are grappling with it. We don't know how to solve this problem, and so going forward, no, we have said it now secretly. Omako can't IMF say you may review and documenting a leaky about abonting. You see, no, so which means that we are now all of us we are speaking the same language now. Say it needs to be reviewed. It needs a holistic review. Free SHS in Ghana, let me repeat, free SHS in Ghana needs holistic review.
But the review
now review no add yanom oma fight ya say yam review after the oma dia to say review. Now oma reviewer they should come and show us the roadmap. How do they intend to review it? Okay. Because we have a master plan. Because we right from the one we have said it needs review.
I understand that point.
And they have always opposed it.
And now they are saying that they're going to review it. So what do you think they should do?
They should do.
What they are not say more and can be reviewed and more you know concrete
master plan.
I love that. Concrete master plan I say can be using now model review free SHS and mobile autonomous, and I'm interested about the the e-blocks and blah 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 that thing, how many were completed.
Oh, I thought we had gone past.
No, we have gone, but I just want to send the e-block.
And you wanted to know what our plan is.
How many were completed when it comes to the e-block?
About 188 were completed. Are you sure? Yes, 188. I'm not quite sure. I stand to be corrected.
Okay.
I stand to be corrected.
Where were they located? How many?
Across the length and breadth of this country. You want me to be mentioning specific schools? To be mentioning specific schools? Oh. Can I say an sorry program also?
Because that's about could be
across almost the length and breadth of. Is there a school in this country that did not benefit from the e-block project?
Okay.
Also be very equal. But yes, and so the point has to be made that going forward, the free senior higher education. On now no crampono. At this current administration, say parents who want to support the free SHS program can come out and do it Once initially, they said, oh, we didn't need anybody support. We are capable of doing it. Blah 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 blah. In their usual impatient and arrogant manner.
Okay.
Now.
Did you say arrogant manner?
Oh yes. Oh. The arrogance has always been there.
Oh come on, and you guys also can also exhibit some arrogancy and all that.
Always pompous and arrogant.
Also now what can be say what kind countries are more FAC food challenge Ghana number 1. No,
me say in sub-Saharan in West Africa. Yes, we are number 1.
We are number 1.
In the whole Africa we are number 8.
The whole Africa we are number 8. But I know that even you didn't cry anymore.
Oh.
when it comes to number of people facing food problem, I don't think our name is in. When I Google, I saw. I'm coming. When I Googled in here, I saw DRC, which is facing about the 25 that's the 8 million. I saw Nigeria, which is a 24.9 million. I saw Sudan, that is a 20.3 million. I saw Ethiopia, which is I think a 19.99 million. I saw South Sudan, which is 7.8 million, which I did not see Ghana in here. So I don't know. I don't know when it comes to
which year is that?
The year is between even so up until globally 10 nations account for 70% of those with a 7 food insecurity. Of those 10 nations, 6 are African, and of course these are the below 5 that are really going through, and Ghana is not part of it. That's a business inside Africa. So
business inside Africa.
Yeah.
Well, I'm referring to a World Bank program reporter about August last year. So what I say before we leave here, I'll find I'll get you the document.
That's fine. All right. So 22. Okay, so 22 minutes after 7 a.m. So waiting for Kamala Achiyi Pana Ansana, and I wanted to tackle the LGBTQI. His Excellency, former President of the Republic of Ghana, the Ababeto Abontin say, oh no, and yeah, also because Assemblies of God ni mampa. Nti beli akoto parliamenta so mbe kan wasem so mon kan wasem aye bibie wo ho ekunkon ho no so no de nya de a obeso so what would you say about it?
Okay, onse anura okan kasem we anura Eastern region for dia wa brow as part of his rebuilding Ghana tour no oshia clergy, men of the clergy and or this so we be sad question for LGBTQ issues. Activities or my way same. And or this assembly. I would say one was stated categorically clear. Say the Christosome and any values, a man who can say on your day one support to trumu SM our Ghana had say because we Christian mapa Assemblies of God. This is his stance about Bontia Babeka, and it is public knowledge. Before Enrano Campon now will be him. His Excellency former President John Dramani Mahama stands on LGBTQ issues. Oh my, we see that. And your former president, His Excellency the late John Evans Atamils in 2011, a year before his demise, I'm a currency. On say UK for a threaten say Yanji Tumutumu and Tum or mine we say more. Mwabia Skasem Wabia Mude Mayano. On withdraw size canning Anyadia, a size can baby. Your president adding a nice form a catcher UK4. Any all the young donors say, Samu Pesa Yaji to Mutu Mansana, one way is Cadian Mumfa Musica, Nancy, a free mind. Minjin to Mune, in you to Muchna, and come for the crack in CA Papa, am I? And so we in the NDC have always made our stance known on this issue of LGBT. So Trumu, Bani Bada, Bema, Eda, Nipa ne Mwa Eda. LGBT ni na kan hu bi. I know. Nipa ne Mwada, Nipa ne even in Nyadia ye be jatumu na ye nyintum tira. Even your current Speaker of Parliament, the Right Honorable ASK Bagbin, and so lead the charge in Parliament to form a legislation ya the percent emra ye de beba ebere ebekuatia sa amambofo sem we say oh my we say. But I will say ye nuanom MPP for no entisa
don't want so much.
Said the engineer here carbon. Said the NDC for no. Ya sorry ejina de den say ade we say ade a bomb mine.
Maka so begia to one.
Oh, him na betray me ba. So will be some question. Me ba. Me na me case umbrella too. So then I'm not rushing you.
I'm not rushing you. You just go ahead.
Why 1 hour? Why now?
Don't worry. The brain until
the make can say.
Okay.
Senka almost so original. You know one people so original. Huh? Said they don't the money mama aka. Said the former president Mahama can answer wo ko na creative. Enka ye ti bi sa free president Kufuor nchen. Ye ti bi sa free Dr. Bawumia so nchen a ka me gidi se sa mambufu se mo se nke betu ase free Ghana hanum se. But so far so who has say kama wa say on kan say Ghana for. Dr. Bawumia kan anu atum e wo sa ade we so hu. Ade we say e chi wade e bo ba
I understand what I'm trying to say.
Bawumia is not a leader in the NDC. He's not the flag bearer. So I mentioned the flag bearers from the NDC. So if I mention his name in that same sentence, what's what kind and this is Bawumia stand. And I'm saying that let him tell us.
He
has been silent on it.
Mati, me try me hoaba.
What you say?
You try your hoaba. What I say?
Semnio Odifo bakopa awurade ayi no ama ya awiemremu ni Odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa dodo na friend no awiemfo ba papa yempaibo wo kuada na waye sunsumunwuma nso efiada na ne kwasi da nso so no wode asori checheche apisu amaye kona kohwe Odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa nsekire ne dia wo ye japekrum empokire ben ne da wo so konso ben no bonsam dia to wo so yinyina ebebie ama hoto aba de wo pa aware de wo pa kwantuo entutu mirika enkopiem ewo drobu japekrum papa san ehwe ne a woni bie enyanka papa hwe won nyina gi mmofrei ehwe won kosise wo befiri ne nanse akọ de dadwina ye ne sokodanna na wachi wiase afa na nyina ahotoma wontutu mirika me enkopiem ewo drobu japekrum fre Odifo ewo 0243356583 Odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa osi awiemfo ba Abba eni jesemnio Odifo bakopa awurade ayi no ama ya awiemremu ni Odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa dodo na friend no awiemfo ba papa yempaibo wo kuada na waye sunsumunwuma nso efiada na ne kwasi da nso so no wode asori checheche apisu amaye kona kohwe Odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa nsekire ne dia wo ye japekrum empokire ben ne da wo so konso ben no bonsam dia to wo so yinyina ebebie ama hoto aba de wo pa aware de deɛ wɔpɛ akwantuo ntutu mirika ɛnkɔpiem ɛwɔ drɔbo gyape kurom papa san ɛhwɛ nea wɔne bie enyanka papa hwɛ wɔn nyinaa gye mmɔfra yi ɛhwɛ wɔn kosi sɛ wɔbɛfiri ne nanse akɔ deɛ dadwena yɛ ne so kɔdanna na wɔakyi wiase afa na nyinaa ahotɔ ma wɔntutu mirika meyɛnkɔpiem ɛwɔ drɔbo gyape kurom frɛ odiifoɔ ɛwɔ 0243 356583 odiifoɔ Samson Kwaku Yeboa ɔsi awiemfoɔ ba Abba ani jesem ni o odiifoɔ baako pa awurade ayi no ama yɛ awiemmerɛ mu ne odiifoɔ Samson Kwaku Yeboa dodo na frɛ no awiemfoɔ ba papa yɛ mpaebɔ wɔ kuada na wayɛ sunsumunwuma nso efiada na ne kwasi da nso so no wɔde asɔre kyekyerekye apie so ama yɛ kɔna kɔhwɛ odiifoɔ Samson Kwaku Yeboa nsɛnkyerɛ ne di a wɔyɛ gyape kurom empɔkyerɛ bɛn na da wo so kɔnsɔnkɔnsɔ bɛn na ɔbɔnsam de ato wo so yɛn nyinaa ebebie ama ahotɔ aba deɛ wɔpa awareɛ deɛ wɔpa akwantuo ntutu mirika ɛnkɔpiem ɛwɔ drɔbo gyape kurom papa san ɛhwɛ nea wɔne bie enyanka papa hwɛ wɔn nyinaa gye mmɔfra yi ɛhwɛ wɔn kosi sɛ wɔbɛfiri ne nanse akɔ deɛ dadwena yɛ ne so kɔdanna na wɔakyi wiase afa na nyinaa ahotɔ ma wɔntutu mirika meyɛnkɔpiem ɛwɔ drɔbo gyape kurom frɛ odiifoɔ ɛwɔ 0243 356583 odiifoɔ Samson Kwaku Yeboa ɔsi awiemfoɔ ba
minutes after 7 a.m. You try home about Mofache, then the lapses kakra with a part of the game. If you didn't hear you might tell me, we are not so no HSNT Yapano and see a day command paracetamol, Emma, and me. It's Doctor now one look swa.
And they said, American, we in the NDC, we have made our stance known on Sir Mambo Fusem, we see bomb mine. Your leaders and your members na your makana for who say young force what I say nam di can make cost 33 sabi Professor Mills when you baby ko yes and I'm more too far on it or can found okay magana for you who say one day when you're there one force adding with no point here your leader current leader John Dramani Mahama and Wakasa one also there to just one way Assemblies of God ni mapa me MFM Masadi when you're the MCOS Ghana mine we see okay your leader our parliament is right honorable ASK Bagbin ana eni wo lead parliament ya shemra ade aide apontia sade we see ana make say your opponents MPP for no okay in 2017 you say former president and current president Nana Addo Dankwa before his excellency akotina Al Jazeera and the two years in him say LGBTQ trumu it is bound to happen in Ghana. I
watched that video, but when he says it's
okay,
oh, calm down.
Oh, Hima, and you calm down.
Mistake.
Them kind of going to Ghana for.
Oh, say it is bound to happen.
It is bound to happen.
It is going to happen.
But it is bound to happen.
It's two different English.
Oh. It is bound to happen. I said to
Martin Fanusi and said this topic.
President of the Republic. I deal with say, could see how my say mine. No one you international platform because Al Jazeera so. As some of catching as mine and say, tomorrow a bit messy or Ghana hand see. What I say? So my penny becomes asking with here. What does it mean?
Okay.
Nyambo try going forward.
No,
you have not been.
I've been taught you what is the topic, and the topic that I introduced.
You have exhausted all the time.
Calm down. First topic, he wasn't here. You treated it.
That's good.
My second topic, the wapa. And you know, 10 minutes, no, you didn't be 2 seconds. I call a break up. And in person, the one is some man.
Also, we introduce topic no man.
And you can't get 10 minutes because
also, you know, so when we got a glitch, we just came back.
But 45. They say 35.
Yeah, some of them can't
and 1 hour can say point by point. Yet in 15 on just say.
As someone who we are one mama very well. Until going forward, no. You see, we in the NDC, we are solidly against this abomination. I say mine.
Fantastic.
President Kufuor has made us know say one of them won't
Okay.
Now, no, we are calling on the flag bearer of the NPP, the current vice president. He should let us know what his stance is on about the LGBT issue. And in any case, no, in case he doesn't know, in case those NPP doesn't know, President Kufuor, I'm not surprised that. Or see, I saw that I'm in I saw that won't miss it. This is the linkage where when you go to Leviticus chapter 20, verse 17, Leviticus chapter 20, verse 17, what say? President Kufuor, he swore with the Bible when he won the elections, and this is what the Bible says. Leviticus chapter 20, verse 17. He says that when a man sleeps with a man, those people should be put to death, and when a woman sleeps with a woman, they should be put to death.
All right.
This is what the Bible says. Okay. So he, Kufuor, cannot come and swear with the Bible and then be going contrary to the word of God. And then in another instance said, "Me see the aswara diamond." What do you say?
Lady Diane.
Watch it.
It's
45.
8 minutes. Yes. Didi kan ma memfa atropama ohwefo na menchia ya party mpenifo na maybe sisi ya be 1 minute bi na menchia His Excellency the Vice President. Be ma wonsin human sana wa. Ono na Ghana fo nyina hwese oba betoa eye aban yi so. Na 2024 ya ejina mu no. O de Ghana akọ bosha assassin so because ye won mu gidie. Enam nim dia wo ene nyuma pa waye dia bo aban ene nyoma ne ye friend zen mpuntu a waye abo aban no e gidi say His Excellency the Vice President waboa ama dia break it na Ghana for so afa omotuma paso ifra Lady Diane benifo say asempetia say when your time na aka bebre so still na won say end this for the as usual propaganda na so na medical for first topic which is the free senior high school no John Dramani Mahama ka say obey review you see in prepi no yaka asa ka biom say so bi ka say obey review sabi review no e dey deport na obey ehun review e say o magana for but that's what they say yana ye the policy ne bae yeso ne yete policy na se e de bae mpo de mo ka se 419 enye adwuma it is never possible but ye ma ade ne ye possible e kire se ye social contractor e wo ye ne Ghana fo ntim a ya hye Ghana fo bo so obeka ya Tuesday September 2 2017 ye ba bemna na ye roll out this policy no bia free say ntimi nye ene ya me no ka say emrante nam baba almost 2.5 million ena enya sa akonye ya omo eko free senior high school eno da nchen ya sika pudua akọ sa free senior high school almost by 10 billion Ghana cedis ena akom de chew no say ye oman a ye hwese ye ko yenim no ede ne de na ese ye na oman ne timi agine yie because oman bia no sa woni menim dia oman ne bebo but say atiase de bia na mekai eye former president eye South Africa o ka sambi was it the strongest weapon in the world education MPP aban any His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo any na bedi echire Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia at the sa policy by said the beya or minor a bit imagine and also so dan chenya miniaba free senior high school by so obekaya emre bia abofra bia be wie eye basic school bia no obeto so no na edin meka me amiswa samre no ayi sebisebio na me ko nsuo na ma me school fees akotu me fees lady Diane so obeka samre no nsuo as say sache rob say afekra na aba samre ne ye chichiri nsuo ne dia hye fridge na ya hyehye na me dia akoton na kakra bebe mi nsem no me dia akotu me school fees but ne yenya aban bia was san nyumo onyina no school fees were debe me aban na mafa MPP aban no but so what they say anti ama sebi obi a woni bi okura no wotimi ko bi ma ne yeyi hweska yakum hwe ye friends mafa amonya kwan akọ na say ya afro barometer for ye survey bi lady Diane wutie pa almost nipa almost 87% and approve and agree with this kind of policy MPP dey buy 9% pe and almost so ade no ka ye ntwen kakra de keka ho 4% aye NDC for because omo na omo say enya papa free senior high school enya papa but 4% no so omo mpa free senior high school no and to say we roll out this policy na 87% agree there na say ya de pa but so they say de bia na meka me say we call US or my man your man be papa be or a surgeon your friend Ben Carson was say the only way to escape poverty is education. Unleashing your potential for excellence. A book what just a what kind of room. They say MPP unity. But that's what they say. Anti sign your mana NDC for na be review be omobeguno unlikely event say Ghana for more kwanya omobeguno. And very quickly aya LGBTQ omoka so when the president your friend is saying Nanado ekwotina BBC no wentimi ensisu pise ade kura meja atuma na asem ngentum Nanado is excellence ekasa wiye no Reverend Palma Baka wakasem bi wasa asema yewura excellence Nanado dan kwa kufa do kotina BBC kan ye no eno no nkyere se waje atomo wangentum na mo do oche ne se do oche nyina ne se sa wo hwe ye man ni ma ye wa Christopher ye wo Muslim for ye wo traditionalists no de kaka saafo nyina no sabi omugitum ana and that says no but so and the democracy ni so aye practice no lady Diane anya democracy a wo ye president ti wo so wo de sori ana pa so media majatum za asimesi na asimesi ye nche omuntum that it doesn't work that way because president na what one nipa na to abama no man ko tena ho so if the people say yempa the president has no power to say so me man for so mompe enso so me mejitum say ade ne nkoso it will never happen now onim omo so and the president in kasamfa no nka mame ma your friend is saying atake bi wo ha essentially na nado dan kwa akufado ekohia aye archbishop of the your friend Anglican Church of your friend saying Asante Mampong on 27th February 2013 asama the president kind was say I have said this before and let me also reiterate was say that it will never the president of Ghana was say this will never be under my presidency or under my presidency of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo to allow the same sex marriage to be legalized in Ghana. So papa ikasa asemu we ya e dey na kire say Nana Addo epene so ana say wakotira BBC kasa e ka so it is bound to happen ninti na say e be happen. This will be a why na adwene say or person would mislead Ghana for and no to futuro egu Ghana for ni e kire say o Nana Addo apene so but this on penny so
when it comes to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, what do you think? Because already you see, they are also getting it wrong. Wouldn't get that? Okay. Because Sauka say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, NBA Namunka, Sasemuya. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, we're vice president of the Republic, and I'm a boy. Why na interview Be Muna and I said, any fana, will be interview in Busano about this. One more respond. They should come and tell us.
na nado ye president no ono ko ye busa no e no kan oko archbishop for conference no omo ye no okan o e kan so on support anameboa se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ko jine bebi e na e bia ye busa ni mpo se oh mura aya de ye ekoso yi no wo so ye pese wo kire wa adwene wo ho e na wan ka bibi dia then it is different anameboa tama ye knows eto so as a president no na me fa the case ye busa na oko UK a ye busa no hasam no so or declare and stand very clear
yeah
Sambra na John Dramani Mahama the vice president no waka bibi fa ho one make a comment one may any ayibia wo and to said say vice president nkasa emfa ho a na no nche say was supported na sabi Ghana over 31 million Ghanaians aye wa hai ye nyina na sabi yakasa fa de no ne president akasa ya president akasa sanne yi no so obi ko interview no obusan na sa wan ka hwe anfa ho dia then you have a cause to say oh and me vice president and I say a vice president you busa na about LGBTQ no kra no wan ka bibia anfa but so what is it wan ka bibia anfa no nche say o support it but so what is it so we should mayan kona nsamono na sabi ye make it as na asif say where a vice president is supporting and I say is excellency na na dan kwa is supporting nobody vice president or a Muslim Muslims here supporting some Christians so and supporting and these are the majority and also the major your friend is saying religion Ghana so what is it and it's not more getting it propaganda
institutional message about injustice. When people parliamentary candidate for president leader. Also MP, I'm a company Aduna, a few 7th December, the Trabano. But the book man because once a man say, a woman, so no Trabano in the Kudu. It was about the since I'm a fact. You Trabano didn't a partner to us one, to some to us, in Famua, to say one very nice. It was having another way of the channel. I remember, what do you call LGBTQ or whatever they want to call it. Yeah, some of President Muhammad, this is your kind of himself. What's the sorry? I didn't. Because your former president, thank you very much for your Assemblies of God. This is same former President Mahama. Abra na a renowned gay activist. Fernando Solomon. The boy also so India Assemblies of God. This man in the Solomon on the Obian Walana. No Bama, Bama and Yoko Bama Walana. I will launch you book. This former President Mahama was the first of the top copy of that book. Now, we will be on social about the book. America means no answer. In your back. You are former President Nelson. Former President Nelson, you are inside and got American to a bit. You are dealing with former President Mahama. We can't not. What is so good? Now, a renowned gay activist for launching a book. You are the first to buy a copy. What are you talking about? Huh? You say someone President Hammer, or you that you deal what part the other day. About that should be a new jail, no, about Suban yet, in a jail. Naturally, run out to Suban something, you can move him, without my wife for, maybe deal with that, with them or that.
Alright.
It's not for kind of for.
Okay, Papa.
Nearby.
Yeah, that's it. 0202-6684-61. People now post. Yeah, live on Facebook, Glow TV GH. Live on YouTube, Glow TV, sometimes. And H6. Hello, good morning.
Hello, how are you? But I'm not sure. You know, you can do the phone. I could tell you. Oh, supporting game. That's I'm a corner in Panta. And I said, come on, you acquire. Columbia, not a woman acquire for looking Bishop. Okay. I know all the social. I was here. Okay, I know. I don't know if you're there. I was here for this is social. I don't get that it very happen. Let's say what in part. Koowaa on kind of or that I don't know for that I am going to let's look at it. What is our say to let's look at it? I don't know what mercy. The God has been reported never all this kind of level or a day for this kind of here I over this of conference happen. Yes, I mean I know some kind of man. I don't know what is the cathedral. Oh, you see. I don't know. I don't begin to have more whole Ghana. I don't know. Now, I say, can you go out calling you? Or the better, you go out calling you. Or that, I don't know. I know you. I mean, I don't know you as well. I'm a guy I learn you. The guy I learn you, Kakara, the never squawk. What do you ever squawk? Something the better, so. School is you. Make that about. What was that about? I don't know. Everything is ready to work. One body name crab and piano. No, yes, it's a total about. Bye bye.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, I'm a person who listening and then I this morning. I want to do another thing. One, now NBC was talking about CSP and then watching another. Statistics project. Over many consequences with the the idea of CSP, you could see that senior high school, school, or local office. That's an organic team, I think we get to like to educate. We don't know anything. So what you all one is good right. I'm something I feel we see them. I want to see a better money. Not the only competition limited. And then more than 50 deputy to 7 will complete it. I'm talking about young couple security. The couple security in Africa. Ghana is number 3. And then another better for Sahara Africa. Ghana, any kind, food insecurity and our food scarcity. Some of our World Bank report now often, and more than a new and for a clear idea, I'm thinking.
Alright, thank you so much. Well, Bricky, I needed a flow. Your submission, but it keeps breaking and
for the Diablo, the young crowd. Almost a crowd, or anything you now watch out, be a macra. Let there be a coalition being a mouse. What can I say? What can I say? Let's education now more cancer free education. Now culture is there. Education top of you. Education top of what? The same you say according to school the group you need to manage papa any sika the tribe be ania. Na fa school na kwa kwa so be and also. Enne petrol no boy pare den no. Enne no bie kosoro. O ba plaza the plaza no the education. Education. It is very good top of there. Education top of what? And tribe be ania. And no ko education na what? You need to know no more in high school. So sika fine no mo join school. And you not done, I'm doing school. Give the money is free. Free beyond one door, I'm not the only help me. Free to the high school. No money, my thing. Oh, my idea. I'm not on the air. When you study, get dedicated. Dedication, only on the back of Kobe. Different play. There will be the empty day fair in the bucket. It's actually high school. That's free to Morgan. Empty day in the back Kobe. If you want to have a window for 3 we got a 3 billion. Oh, man, I do not want to hear that. No, we need 3 or we people are the Ghana for. If you ever know, put in any without it.
I come in 3 minutes. Come on in.
Yeah, His Excellency here the John Dramani Mahama Nsamini because some review ni na no say they are going to cancel everything. And they also no sebi o maya ye wo manya obia na sebi o wosika anase fie obi wo ho a fie bi wo ho ho kire wo ho papa na aban ne hyehyɛ mu no is to at least say ye be manipa ho ato no de nti ama me ka ne sa ne say saafo ya tama no mote aba mu ekatwitwiri die a omuburugu ho na e collapse no me boba ku miinu ansa na me de manuesi se wadarwa one arias nko anase ekakọ omugyato ho eye 131 million Ghana cedis but wutie ba se wo hwe bibiti se capitation grant nko na menu ba omugya 8.4 million Ghana cedis feeding grant for special schools aye 7 million Ghana cedis wo hwe bibiti se excise boost nko a eye amisata ne wife second lady ko gina o ka say yemma mu chok e ka twitwire nti omunya ka review na sebi abofra na wo abofra no ye na ebetima hwa abofra ma na yeye nti free senior high school ni de ya na ebetima kwa free senior school ma na yeye na omo de omo twom kra
Sabi kramede
de hino
Ghana ranked among 10 countries globally with highest food inflation. That's 9 of 2023. Ghana has been ranked among 10 countries in the world with the highest food inflation, according to a food security report by the World
I also have a food security index in Sub-Saharan Africa 2022 by World Bank, and I also have I have 2022.
Very good. The same thing.
The latest one is 2023. We are 2024 now. We should be talking about 2022.
And I'm saying that we have.
This is the latest report.
And
this is the latest report.
The one I also have here is food security index in Sub-Saharan.
My point is this. I have the report here. Anybody who wants it.
We also have.
Yours is 2 years ago. This is the latest one.
Latest one.
The latest one just said Ghana and we say. We are sitting there. Going forward now. Yeah, make us 17th June 2022.